The big one is Mikey. The small one is JJ. I think JJ will win and Mikey will lose. I think JJ will win. Mikey already lose. And she buy a new sock. And JJ also and the Willy yes. Not Mikey only has this and JJ has money and the Willy just not let him go here and Willy just ran to see Mikey and JJ buy her socks and he take away and JJ built a house and Mikey still not the Willy just come to her house and he see JJ and JJ say he need to her book and he need to go to the library and he need to take some book and then he cut the Mikey sock and he cut all Mikey sock and he cut here and here and here and here and here and here and he cut all here and 妈妈好啦。